Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is July 22nd, Friday. Woohoo! TGIF. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend coming up. And we'll step up. It's going to be short and sweet today because, well, no economic news releases today. So we'll go right to the headline news. And today, basically, the big news is Greece bailout package part two. Basically, we kind of said selective default. I guess now they call it restrictive default. So Fitch ratings were the first to kind of give them their new ratings and such. So there's still a lot of open what could happen out there. So there's still a lot of uncertainty, but they got some stuff passed that might be accommodative right now for Greece, and we'll hope for the best for Europe. So let's take a look here. Also in the U.S. here, we got our own issues with the 11th hour debt ceiling crisis. So they still haven't come with the plan yet. And from my understanding, today's the last day they need to get that resolved so they can send checks out next week. Otherwise, we may hit basically a default issue. So um, again, that's something to watch out for the news today. So hopefully we can hear some good news at some point today regards to our debt ceiling crisis here. I saw a report here on MarketWatch that that there was a report that came in that to warn the federal government or federal banks that there might be a rise on the bankruptcies in China because a lot of people, affluent people, are fighting the high inflation and restrictive credit. So that might create a lot more of a stranglehold, and more people might file bankruptcy over there. Also, earlier, about a month ago, I saw a report over there, which I shared here. That was really interesting. That they're just starting to experience some price devaluations on their homes, so they may actually have what they call, well, the toxic loans over there. So nobody really knows exactly how that will play a part in the U.S. I mean, or even here in the rest of the world, if they start having their issues regards to like these high BKs and toxic loans or defaults on their mortgages, how it may play a role in the rest of around the rest of the world, as everybody from here, from US to Europe and everywhere else, are kind of having that struggle right now. So looks like they're kind of in the delayed process. So it may just kind of delay the whole global recovery here. So especially with a large economy like China. So right now the stock market's mixed this morning because we got the Greece. It had some, but really didn't have that much impact. Some of the other news was Caterpillar had disappointing earnings, but yet another company. Oh, GE had a good earnings report. So that's why it's kind of mixed here. So let's go ahead and take a look. We'll see what the bond market, see what interest rates are doing this morning. So we're up higher than we were yesterday. As we saw, we had a decline here yesterday, so we rose up. So we're up higher than where we left off yesterday. We had kind of a start effect, and now we're about going down 6 basis points, resting on this ceiling here. We'll see if we can hold this or not. But we kind of been riding this range here between par 20 and about par. Looks like around par or 101 basically in this range here. Not really a big lot of economic news to make a big push, so you could see a sideways pattern. Rates will be a little bit better today, as you saw we had a drop here, and now we started the bond market here. So with this rise here, the earlier days gains, that will create a little bit better interest rates for today. All right, folks, you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll catch you on Monday. Meanwhile, if you guys are looking to buy a home or looking to uh, refinance, hey, stop by my website at californiamortgagetips.com, and love to be able reach out to you in regards to your mortgage needs. Love to be able to help you out. So you guys have a wonderful weekend. Bye.